Hello guys. In 1995, two Stanford University students created a search engine called Backrub, renamed Google. The company was registered 3 years later. Let's start our top 5 disturbing facts about Google. Number 5. Employees eavesdrop on the public. The company released a popular AI home device called Google Assistant. A verbal command activates the system and tells it to record an audio file. In 2019, a leak released recording of unsuspecting Dutch speaker. The Belgian public broadcast VRD analyzed around 1000 clips. Disturbingly, over 153 were accidentally captured. The owners had triggered Assistant without meaning to. Really confidential information was tapped and transferred to Google. Indeed, some of the files contain names, address, and some people even discuss their sex lives. When confronted, Google admitted it was a security breach. They claimed to use a mere 0.2% and removed all the personal data. The leak proved that this was not the case. Number 4. Google promotes risky companies. Many people trust Google when they search for investment opportunities, but a consumer watchdog called which found the trust was misplaced. Savers who searched for things like cash ISA comparison and best cash ISA were shown related ads marked as promoted. The ads flashed products that promised high return without saying anything about risk, which asked volunteers who were really looking to invest to view the premium ads. Less than a third opted for trusted companies. Worryingly, 34% picked unknown firms with high returns. The two companies involved gave little to no information about any risk involved. There was no warning from Google, which was not alone after concluding that Google cared more for paid ads than customer protection. Number 3. The ultimate stalker. Google wants to know your movements. To keep a civilized front, the company pretends to give customer the chance to option out. Afterward, user can feel smugly anonymous. In 2018, Associated Press found that users are still tracked even when they explicitly tell Google to mind its own business. For the sake of the experiment, a team member turned off all tracking options on his phone and was shocked by how accurately his route was followed. Worse, his home address was also recorded. Whenever you open Google Maps, it records your position. So do automatic weather update, even just by using the search engine. A person's location is determined to a creepy degree, accurate to the square foot. Several other services on iPhone and Android devices act as a beacon for Google, betraying the user's movement and choices. It seems to be working. Google started tracking users for this purpose in 2014. By 2017, its ad revenue rocketed to $95.4 billion. Number 2. Cash. Google's want to launch a checking account service called Cash in 2020. An independent survey showed that 58% of consumers trusted Google's future financial products. However, others remain concerned that technology companies are compiling too much information on their clients. The worst case scenario is that linking everything back to such business could create a dependency the public cannot break free from. In other words, tech companies could trap their future clientele instead of giving them the freedom to bank elsewhere or pay through other channels. It is also slightly concerning that the banking service for Google's cash service will be supplied by Citibank, the same bank that chose former President Obama's entire 2008 cabinet. Number 1. Chrome is spyware. Roughly 10 years ago, two new browsers challenged Microsoft Internet Explorer. Chrome quickly rose to the top, offering users a quicker and safer way to surf. Firefox remains the second largest browser, The two continue to fight for the top spot. One day the deciding factor could be privacy. People are increasingly getting fed up with online snooping, and Google is proving to be a spy master. In 2019, a tech expert browsed for a week and then checked to see how many cookies landed in his dragnet. Incredibly, there were 11,189 requests to place cookies on his desktop, which Chrome would have allowed but for one thing, he used Firefox. Google no longer seems to care about user privacy. Google remains the world's largest advertising corporation, but Mozilla, which produced Firefox, is a non-profit with no interest in mining people's lives. While Firefox are actively fighting spy cookies, Google is making no such effort. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.